I don't know if you guys noticed, but look at this. I don't know if you can tell, but you know, the pond is, it's kind of gross. So we're gonna clean it. All right, well, we got one bucket. This should be for like the goldfish, the small fish and stuff. Got the big bucket for the native fish, like the bass, the bluegill. Will go in here. Oh my. Actually, the hole. We'll figure it out. Last bucket. This should be enough. I don't know how many.
Yes.
Point is, it's hot.
Yeah.
I don't mind getting wet.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
First, before we do, take the fish out, we gotta get these.
There's a bee in here. Oh my gosh.
Where?
I saw it flying over there in that area.
I hate bees. All right, we're good. Oh, crap. Okay. All right, we're good. We got the stuff. Okay, I hope. Okay. All right, let's go.
All right. Oh.
It's okay. Got the bacteria. What else we got? It's been a while, guys. It's been a year. Not joking.
It's been more than that.
Yeah. All right, we got the chlorine remover. This makes the tap water safe for the fish. And we got the algae cleaner. Kills all the algae. I hope. All right, well, simply just gonna get all that water out. Not all. Some. Okay. All right, there's that. I'm gonna fill it. Oh, look the bluegill.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, this is the one now. Never mind. Oh man. I know. This pond is gonna be looking sexy. You know what I mean? Alright, well, let's go catch the fish. I did not catch that fish.
You know. Did you get one? Oh.
I think it would be hard.
I bet you
Okay,
could get one.
Okay, I don't know why I thought this was gonna be easy.
See it? Oh, never mind. You got it.
It's one of the fish. There you go. In there. Hold up. We're good. All right. This should hopefully catch him.
Dang.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Oh wow.
Let's get away.
Oh dang! You hit that thing, Pat.
I did?
You hit it and it went all over there.
Wait. This is really what I'm gonna do. I'm just
Wait, why don't you just do the thing?
because the hose broke.
What?
Like that. Dang it. Well, there's a log. I'm not surprised if a crayfish lives in here.
Wait, what? There are crayfish in here?
A lot.
In this pond?
Yes. Now we got the lily pads. Yeah, I know. Disgusting, but good thing we're cleaning it. So put it right in here. There we go. Hopefully. There we go. That should be plenty of room because we don't really have a whole lot of predator fish, so hopefully that should be good. But now we can just take the fish out. Hopefully. Thanks. So.
Oh, look, there you go.
Oh, no. Oh. Hey, buddy, bud. I'm your friend. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, there you go. One fish. There you go. Okay.
Found the crayfish.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
There you go.
Okay, yeah, those holes, Pat, in the net are pretty big.
Yeah, oh, the best. Did you guys see that? Stop. Dude, my first time cleaning the pond, so.
Oh my.
Here we go.
There you go, you got one.
Got the bluegill.
Okay, that kind of scared me, to be honest.
Look at how big that bluegill is, eh?
Let me see.
You've been feeding this guy literally everything. Look at how big that guy is. Woof. Look at that. That's good. Alright, I'm there. There we go. And I gotta be careful because. There you go.
There you go. Whoa, what is that?
Another beautiful fish.
Whoa, what kind of fish is that?
I think it's a. It's probably a goldfish.
That's one nice.
Oh yeah, this is John's goldfish.
Oh, that is?
Yep. Look how big he got.
Wow, John, if you're watching this, that's your goldfish.
Alright, yeah. Algae. Alright, I'm cleaning. You know how deep the pond is?
Yeah, I just realized.
I didn't realize how deep it was, but right now we're just spraying it down, cleaning it. Water's gonna go down there, just scooping back out, and I could just refill back the pond, put the fish back. It's all easy, but I mean, a lot of work. So, Sarah, look at that. It's gonna be so clear in here. Oh yeah.
Food coloring. Brian, is this food?
No, barely.
Pond coloring.
Alright, well, everything's good now. We just gotta fish. I cleaned it wrong. I have to do this anyway. Guys. Yes.
Oh, I bet it is.
I want to sit on that log. Any fish?
Censored.
That's a good cold though. It's like hot.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. These bluegills being
If you can catch them from the pond, you can catch them in this bin.
Thanks. Got it.
Oh my. That scared me.
Oh, yeah. Look at
Watch
how
it just
good-
fall in again.
Look at this fish, guys. It's a normal bluegill, but it looks very pretty. Shut up. Hold up. Well, there he goes.
I can barely see it. Oh, I see it. Is it dead? It's not dead. Oh my goodness. That, oh.
What?
Like, there was no movement. Literally, you just moved it around, you lift it up, and then boom, it's right there. And it went in my eye. Ooh, ow. I'm gonna get pink eye tonight. Oh my goodness.
Here's this fish.
Oh, look at that.
There you go, buddy. Ready? Yeah, good. Good? There he goes. Okay, there he goes. Into the log.
Are there any more fish in here?
Yep, the bass.
What?
What?
There's more?
Yes, the bass.
The bass in here. Oh my god! That scared me even more. Did
Okay.
you see that?
Okay. Got
Can I
the
put a
same.
worm to feed it?
No. They're not hungry. There you go.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Another fish.
Okay, that didn't get me.
Okay. This
I
one
expected it.
looks like.
Help me! I'm gonna turn double slate.
No.
I'm not getting
Here,
that.
buddy. Hey, I got. Hey, I'm trying to save your life. I'm trying to save your life. What are you doing? You're so difficult. You're so difficult. You're so difficult. Oh my goodness.
Is that the bass?
No.
Okay, good. Let's see.
Okay, here we go. There, go crazy in there.
Yeah.
This
Another
one
one?
looks very beautiful.
Oh
The
my
bass.
goodness. Okay, this better be the last one
Yes.
though.
Look how
Okay.
beautiful that
Oh.
bass is.
That.
Look at how beautiful
Whoa.
that is.
That's fire.
check this bass out. Hey.
Nice try.
Never mind. But yeah, it's beautiful. There he goes.
Mm-hmm.
I think that should be the last one. I don't know. There he goes into the deep end.
Oh. Okay.
It's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna dump the water, see if there's any more fish.
Oh my.
Sorry.
Alright, go.
I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Bass is doing good. Look at the bluegill, guys. Oh yeah, looking good.